Welcome, friends, to this introductory session on Tally, organized by Snehankit Helpline for the Visual Impaired. स्नेहांकित एक मुंबई बेस्ड एनजीओ है और ये सन 2001 से कार्यरत है. It has two centers at Andheri and Dombivli, and its main activities include audio recording for the blind, preparation of study material in accessible format, providing computer training, etc. We also train students right from the lower standards so that they can join the mainstream as full contributing individuals. And about myself, my name is Samir Late. I am a chartered accountant, currently working with Reliance Industries Limited at Mumbai. Now, okay, some people are still joining, but for those who have just joined, please switch off your microphones so we don't have background noise of JAWS or any other software. And we will be giving a chance to all of you to ask questions at the end of the session. Now, coming to Tally proper, first let me explain to you what Tally is. Tally किस लिए इस्तेमाल होता है? Talking about Tally, Tally is one of the most widely used accounting softwares. Tally का benefit है कि it provides a proper audit trail. It helps you to do the entire accounting process. आपको अगर cost centers बनाने हैं, that is, if you have various factories, you want to share the cost between them, that is possible in Tally. You can manage your inventory in Tally कि आपका opening stock कितना था, cost of production क्या है, closing stock क्या है, आपको एक यूनिट से दूसरे यूनिट ट्रांसफर करना है मटेरियल तो किस प्राइस पे ट्रांसफर करना है, ये सब चीजें आप टैली के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. टैली के थ्रू आप आपका टीडीएस और जीएसटी रिटर्न्स के लिए भी डेटा बना सकते हैं एंड उसका पेमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. टैली आल्सो हेल्प्स यू इन डूइंग योर बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन, इन डूइंग योर पेरोल मैनेजमेंट, एक्सेट्रा. In fact, now even for the stock exchanges, they have made it compulsory that you should have an audit trail, which makes Tally very useful for such purposes also. Tally is an Indian software developed by Tally Solutions out of Bangalore. The current version of Tally and the one जिस पे आज demonstration करेंगे वो है ERP 9.6. But Tally का ERP का कोई भी version होगा, it has a similar level of accessibility. 9.1 से लेके 9.6 तक. Previously, we had created scripts for Tally, for JAWS and Tally. That was for version 5.4. These scripts were upgraded to version 6.3 and 7.2. But Tally version 7.2 के बाद ये scripts ने काम करना बंद कर दिया because of certain changes in the Tally accounting software. उनका जो program code है उसमें थोड़े changes हो गए. So at present, Tally is around 70% accessible with JAWS. ये demonstration में I'll be using JAWS 2021, but NVDA is also equally accessible with JAWS, with Tally, sorry. यहाँ पे I'll mainly be using PC cursor and JAWS cursor, but उनके जो similar cursors है NVDA में, that is PC cursor and review cursor, वो cursor से भी आप similarly जैसे JAWS से मैं move करूँगा, जैसे NVDA से move करूँगा, जिस प्रकार मैं JAWS और PC cursor के साथ move करूँगा, same way you can move with PC cursor and review cursor in NVDA. Okay, but one note of caution here. एक याद रखिए, ये Tally ERP 9.6 accessible है, but इसके बाद जो वर्जन आया Tally Prime नवंबर 2020 में, ये फिलहाल inaccessible है, but we have spoken with the Tally people and उन्होंने कहा है कि future release में हम accessibility का ख्याल रखेंगे. They will take the accessibility into account while releasing further versions. तो इसके साथ अब हम देखते हैं कि how you can use Tally with JAWS. While using Tally with JAWS, thing you have to remember, that your best friend is the JAWS cursor. Your JAWS cursor is just like the mouse cursor. It can go anywhere on the screen. और उसी का फायदा हम लोग उठाएंगे, क्योंकि टैली में जो लिंक्स आते हैं, जो लिस्ट्स वगैरह आते हैं, they appear all on the right hand side of the screen where the PC cursor cannot go. Therefore, there you have to go with the JAWS cursor, select them with the JAWS cursor and press left mouse button to select. PC cursor का इस्तेमाल सिर्फ डेटा एंट्री के लिए करना है and from moving from one edit field to another. अगर JAWS cursor से select करते वक्त आपने enter दबाया, तो आपका PC cursor जहां पे है वो control activate होगा and not the one which you want to select. तो एक ये थोड़ा ख्याल रखना है. I know कि switching between JAWS and PC cursor is a lot of problem initially, but with practice ये second nature हो जाता है and it becomes a routine. So with this, let us go to see Tally proper. Just wait for a minute while I open Tally. Just 1 second.
Start button, type here, look up, taskbar Tally, ERP9-1 enter, and talk about body is doing the meeting, Tally, ERP9, PC cursor. Title is Tally, ERP9.
Mute my, stop my video. Share, button.
Is doing the meeting.
Okay.
Hello, Samir sir. Hello.
Hello. Yes.
सर आपका जॉज का जो आपका स्पीड है थोड़ा स्लो कर दो.
Okay. ठीक है. I'll just lower the JAWS speed. Just wait 1 minute.
Select the system tray icon, JAWS for Windows, enter. JAWS context menu, basic start, voice sub, enter, voice adjustment. Voice adjustment, enter, leaving menus, voice adjustment, delete profile, enable addition, synthesizer, neck, speak sample button, voice adjust combo box, all contexts, 1 of 5, alt plus D. Voice rate 75, left right slider, 31%, 29, 28%, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 20,
Enough.
51%.
Okay. ठीक है. 1 sec.
Voice up, okay button, enter. Threatening Tally ERP9. Title is Tally ERP9 from Shazada.
Okay. Is the voice speed sufficient now, JAWS ka?
Oh, yes, sir. Okay. Fine, sir.
Okay. Now that I have opened Tally, as I said, let us first review and see what is on the main Tally screen with the help of the JAWS cursor. Now, one thing you have to remember is that unlike in Word or Excel, where you have the file bar, home, edit, and other menu options, Tally does not have any such options. Tally में जो main screen के controls है, they are in 4 parts. One is at the very top, one in the center, one at the bottom, and one on the right hand side. Those in the middle box are the most important for us. But सबसे पहले I will move throughout the screen with the help of the JAWS cursor. So just listen, 1 minute.
JAWS cursor. Target file, move. Then JAWS the user account filter. Display license, asynchronous, user analysis, property process analysis, reports, import correct, audio, import data, series, account vouchers, transactions, account info, adjusters. Japanese, PC cursor, Sassy C has joined the meeting. No meeting, no. ERP9, computer to everyone, JAWS voices. Writing corruption was joined to me.
Oh. Okay. On the tally screen, when you go at the very top, you get a number of options. That is like export, mail, print, upload, shop, etc. Now, when you move with the JAWS cursor to the very top, just after the company name, you have just 1 second, 1 second.
Cloud meetings. Run JAWS Manager S, Script Manager, S, Settings Center. Search box edit, Control plus E. JAWS Settings Center dash Zoom software, preview, read only edit, use it, okay, read it, preview, user, close, web slash it, mouse end, miscellaneous, Echo, gesture, OCR, text analyzer, researches, custom highlight, Mannequin has left the meeting, keyboard, window classes, voice assistant, closed, right, voice aliases, closed, punctuation, synthesizer, closed, shift, level 1, reset, graphics and symbols, say all, closed, speech and cloud schemes, closed, speech at level 1, escape, cloud meeting, alt F4, tally, ERP,
As we were saying, the first row at the top of the Tally window contains the name of the software, that is Tally ERP 9.6. Below that, it contains the name of the manufacturer, Tally Solutions Limited, Bangalore. And below that, it has a list of options in a single row. It will read out as P print, E mail, U upload, S shop, and so on. Now, the first thing to remember is that this first letter which it reads, before it reads out the name, is the shortcut key. This is to be used along with the Alt key. For example, when it says P print, it means Alt P will open the print window where you can set the various functions that you want, whether you want it with narration, whether you want fresh accounts on a fresh page, etc. All your printing options, your printer, which printer you want, etc. you can set. The Alt E option, that is export, allows you to export it into Excel. And that makes it very easy to analyze the data. Similarly, Alt S shop helps you to go to the Tally shop to renew your license or upgrade your license. Now, the version of Tally I have is a licensed version. For training purposes, people can download the educational version, which is just like a JAWS demo. The difference being in an educational version, you can pass entries only for a limited number of days. I'll be giving the link to download Tally on the Tally group after the session is over. Okay. Now, after that, there is a list of commands on the right-hand side. These commands also have to be used with the Alt key and are the function commands. That is F2, which is for change of date, Alt F2, which is for change of period, Alt F12, which is to configure the company, and so on. And at the bottom of the screen, you have commands like calculator, Control plus Alt plus M. But the really main commands that we use on a day-to-day basis are in the center of the screen. So let us have a look at the commands in the center of the screen.
Japanese. Facial analysis. Property plus A/C. Balance sheet. Reports. Japanese. Edit for commit. Undo. Import data. Utilities. Accounting vouchers. Transactions. Accounts import. PCMP. Masters.
So there are 4 major headings: masters, transactions, import of data, and utilities. Sorry, utilities and reports. Now, since this company which I have selected has entries made only on the first date of April and does not include any inventory data, you will not have any inventory options in this tutorial. But if you had an inventory option, even those options would come up. For example, like in the first heading, that is masters.
Japanese transactions.
See, in the masters, you have just one option, accounts info. If you had inventory, you would get one more option like inventory info. We'll go inside and see what is there in account masters. But before we do that, let us have a look at the items on this page. Before that, remember, if you want to go back one page, then the key is escape. So let us move down. After accounts, after masters, the next heading was transactions, which also has one option, accounting vouchers. Let us listen. Similarly, if there were inventory, you would have inventory vouchers. And at the same time, as you will see, when we demonstrate the various vouchers, if you had inventory accounts, especially in sales or purchase, you could also enter the inventory details. Now, below the transactions, you have utilities. These utilities help you to either import data or export data to various versions of Tally. Now, since I have only one version of Tally on my computer, I'll have only the import option.
Japanese export connects reports. Japanese export disconnects. PC cursor.
Now, you also heard something called F4 Connect. Now, that is an option available, one of the options available on the right-hand side. Now, because JAWS reads the entire line and there is nothing else on the entire line, all it read was F4 Connect. Now, after utilities, the last portion is reports. Reports are basically all the data or the analysis of data. That is the balance sheet, the profit and loss account, the multi-account printing and ratio analysis, as well as display. And the last option in any set of controls in Tally is always Q for quit. Now, balance sheet and profit and loss, as you are aware, are the final accounts, which show you how much assets you have, how many liabilities you have, what is your profit, what is loss. In fact, Tally allows you to see the effects of each and every entry on this balance sheet and profit and loss account. In ratio analysis, Tally calculates the main commonly used ratios like current ratio, quick ratio, working capital ratio, etc. In multi-account printing, you have the option of printing the entire cash book, purchase ledger, and other day books. So let us first go up and see the various options within accounts info. Accounts info and accounting vouchers are the two main parts that we will be covering in this introductory session.
Accounting vouchers. 419 PS. Transactions. Accounts info. F3CMP. Info.
So my focus is on the F of info. I press the left mouse button. So let us see what changes have happened. So the next sheet, the next page has opened up and it has three options. Groups, ledgers, voucher types, and of course, the quit. Now, one thing to note that Tally has some default groups, default voucher types. You can create n number of ledgers, n number of groups, even new types of vouchers, but all of these have to be placed under one or the other of the default ones. For example, you may have 8 products in sales. You may want sales vouchers for each of the products to begin with serial number 1. Say product A serial number 1, product B serial number 1. So all these new vouchers you can create in Tally, but they will have to be placed under the default sales voucher type. Similarly, you can create a number of ledgers. say plant and machinery, furniture and fittings, electrical appliances, etc. But you will have to place them under one of the default groups, that is, say, fixed assets. Now you can create other groups also. Supposing you have a number of shares that you have invested in, you can create a group called equity investments. But again, this group will have to be placed under one of the default groups. The default group here being investments. So let us just see how we can create a ledger. So moving up to ledgers.
Function types. Ledgers. Home. Ledger. Ledgers. Paper.
Okay, now I have placed my focus on the letter G of ledgers. And I am pressing the left mouse button and enter. Now it creates two different groups, a single ledger or a multiple ledger. It asks us what you want to do, whether you want to create a single ledger or you want to create a series of ledgers. Now both of these have three options underneath them: create, display, and alter. And of course, there's quit at the end. Now, create will help you to create a single ledger or a multiple ledger, a new ledger. Display will provide you with a list of the existing ledgers from which you can choose one of the ledgers to see their entire details, or you can alter one of the existing ledgers. So, for example, let us go into create ledger. So I have placed my focus on the A of create. I press the left mouse button and enter. Now, since I want to enter the data, I activate the PC cursor. 1 second.
Cloud meeting. Zoom cloud meetings. Tally.
हॅलो समीर सर.
बोला ना धनश्री.
सर चॅटवर खूप सारे मेसेजेस आहेत की तुमचा जॉबचा व्हॉइस क्लिअर नाहीये.
आता त्याला काय करता येईल म्हणजे?
थोडंफार समरी जे जॉबचं आहे ना ते तुम्हीच सांगा ना, कारण आता आपण खूप ट्राय केलं ते तर होत नाहीये.
मी तेच सांगतोय की मला फोकस कुठे आहे, काय क्लिक करतोय.
कारण मुलांचे कंटिन्युअस त्याच एका गोष्टीवर मेसेजेस आहेत.
ओके.
जॉबचा व्हॉइस क्लिअर नाहीये.
ओके.
ओके
चालेल.
सॉरी.
No, it's okay. Okay. Unfortunately, this is the clearest that the JAWS can be, but that is why I'll be repeating everything that JAWS is saying. So, as I said, when we go into accounts info, we have various options like group, ledger, and voucher types. And now in ledgers, I went into single ledger and create a ledger. Now, since this is the PC cursor, now since I have to enter data, I went to the PC cursor. Now I'm going to type a name. By default, what happens in account creation is your focus is placed on the list of account, on the edit field where you have to type the name. So I'm just going to type the name and then I'm going to read out what I have typed. So just hold.
Hello sir, excuse me.
It's not clear, just hold.
Hello sir, excuse.
Yeah.
Sir, please आप share screen करो ना एक बार so that we can hear you properly.
Screen is shared.
Version 5 sign but version 5.4.3 with parent 58,000.
Dhanashri, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Screen is visible.
Yeah, and is the JAWS audible or is there बरोबर येतोय ना आवाज?
हो
हाँ आता येतोय.
सर बहुत क्लियर है.
ओके ठीक है.
यस सर अभी ऑडिबल.
Okay, so even
I would like to request, sir, please give a quick recap, whatever you had
I'll,
previously.
I'll do that.
Fine.
Just let me open Tally once again. Just 1 minute.
Windows M, leaving menu, T, Tally, ERP9, enter.
हा आता छान येतो आवाज.
ERP9. Alt space, menu, system, maximize, X, enter, leaving menus, Tally, PC, cursor.
Okay, now I'll just give a couple of minutes of a recap.
4:44 p.m.
In Tally, when we start to use it, now I am using Tally ERP 9.6 with JAWS 2021. I am mainly using the JAWS cursor and the PC cursor. Similarly,
Nokia 6.1.
you can use the PC cursor and review cursor from NVDA. Now in Tally, you don't have the file bar, edit, home, all those options are not there. You have got on the main window in 4 parts, you have got various controls. At the very top, third line from the top, you have got the options of print, export, mail, shop, etc. And everywhere it will speak one letter and then the command. So this means that letter with Alt pressed is your keystroke. For example, it will say P print. That is Alt P will activate the print command. Alt E will activate the export command. Similarly, at the bottom, you have a few commands like license, calculator, etc. The bottom commands are activated with Control plus Alt plus the first letter. Now, on the right-hand side, you have various function key commands like F2 for period date, Alt F2 for period, F12 for configuration, etc. In the main window, which is the one we will be using, I'll just run through the main window once again.
Root JAWS to PC. Login. Import the utility. Accounting voucher transactions. Accounts info. F3C masters.
The first main heading in the main box is masters, which has accounts info, inventory info, etc. Now, since the company I've chosen is a single account company without inventory data, without cost, so I don't have any of those options in the masters. The second heading is transactions. Yeah, somebody wanted to ask. Yeah. Hello, somebody wanted to ask something.
So how to activate JAWS cursor?
One was left to me. Nokia 6.
If you are using a desktop or a laptop with a number pad, on the number pad, the extreme top right key, just above the big plus button, is your JAWS cursor key, while the plus button will activate the PC cursor. If you are using a laptop without a number pad, Control L will activate the JAWS cursor for you.
Sir, for PC cursor?
For PC cursor on a laptop, I am not sure, but I'll have to check that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. If you go into the keyboard manager with caps lock F2 on a laptop, you'll get all the keystrokes.
Gyroscatter has joined the meeting.
Okay. Now, below the accounting vouchers, you have got utilities, that is import of data. And below that, the reports, that is balance sheet, profit and loss account, ratio analysis, etc. Then we have gone into accounts info, where you can create new accounts. Now, these new accounts have to be placed one of the default or default voucher types that has. Yeah.
A single account company.
Yeah, I'll come to that. That is inside the groups and inside the ledgers. I'll come to that. See,
okay,
yeah. See, for example, you may want to have different types of sales vouchers for different products. So you can create different default vouchers, but you have to place them within one of the pre-existing Tally vouchers. that is sales. For example,
Nokia 6.
you can create different ledgers also.
Avagodasaurus.
Plant and machinery, fixed equipments, etc. But they will have to be placed within fixed assets, which is a default.
Nokia 6.
Similarly, you can create default your own groups. Like for one group, say equity, to hold all your shares, etc. Your mutual fund group for all your mutual funds. But you will have to place them
Anamica Limited.
investments, which is a default group. Now, when you go inside ledgers, you get three main options: single ledger, multiple ledger, and quit. Here, one thing I like to tell you is when you want to move back from one screen to the previous screen, you need to press the escape key. Now, inside these ledgers, you have single ledger, multiple ledger, and quit. Inside each of single and multiple ledgers, you get three options: create, display, and alter. Create will help you to create a new account, a new ledger. Display will bring up a list of existing ledgers. So every ledger's features you can see by selecting one of them. And if you want to modify them, you will have to go to alter. Now I was creating a ledger. So let us see how to create a ledger.
JAWS cursor. Name of company. Date of last entry. Anamica Limited 1 Masters. Accounts info. F3's accounts. Info. N.
I'm entering
November.
accounts in
Left mouse button. Gateway of tally. Accounts info. Groups. Ledgers.
Home.
Voucher. Ledgers. E. D. G. Left mouse button.
Enter.
Single ledger. Tax registration /no display. /no.
End.
Colon. Create. R. E. A.
Okay, I'm on the
Alpha.
key of create. So
Left mouse button.
Enter.
opening it. Now, since I have to enter the data, I switch to the PC cursor. JAWS here will not read out the edit field name, but the field name is account name. There you can, by default, you can type in any which name you want. So let us type in, say, wages.
W. A. E. E. S.
Then I press tab. It takes me to a field called quick entry. Here you can give a shortcut key. Like for example, if you have to make entries of one bank regularly, you can give one shortcut key, say Q or W or R. If you press that key, that bank account name will come. I'll cover this again when we are doing the voucher entry. But right now, let's move one step below.
Under capital account name wages current assets.
Okay. Now it said under capital account. Here it gives us a list of the default groups. So let us see the list with the JAWS cursor.
Display indirect incomes. Alter investments. Loans and advances left parent asset right parent. Multiple ledgers loans left parent liability right parent.
Loans, liability,
Loans and advances left parent asset right parent.
loans and advances, assets. Since we want to place wages under indirect expenses, and this is L, loans, so we'll go up.
Alter investments. Display indirect incomes. /no create. Indirect expenses.
Indirect expenses.
Home.
Expenses. X. P. E.
Now since I am on
Echo.
the key of expenses, I'll press left mouse.
Left mouse button.
Enter. PC cursor.
Now below that we have various options like profession tax number, PAN number, bank details, opening balance. Right now I'll just skip all of that and move directly to the end. If you want, however, you can read all of them with the JAWS cursor, and wherever you want, you can enter the data also. Now remember this sound. I'll play it again. This sound means that a pop-up has come. It asks you whether you want to accept or reject. Now pressing enter or Y will accept it. Pressing escape or shift tab will move you back. So I'll press enter.
Enter.
And now my focus will be placed back on the account's name. So let us move back to the main window to have a demonstration of voucher entry. Any questions so far?
Ratchet Kalapker music. Friday Karutpur has joined the meet. Shivani Kashyap Galaxy J6 has left the
Any questions?
from Shazada.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, how do you press the left mouse button?
Yeah, I press the left mouse button on the desktop, which is the second button on the topmost row of the number pad.
Okay.
Hello, sir. How to activate review cursor?
What about the review cursor?
Like, how to use that? I'm asking. How to navigate with review
From
cursor?
Shazada.
Sorry, I think somebody was just joining, so your voice got cut off. Can you please repeat?
Yeah. Am I audible right now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. How to activate review cursor? I would like to know, sir.
How to activate review cursor, that I'll have to check up because I don't use NVDA that much often. But I'll check up on that and I'll paste the reply on the group by tonight.
It's insert 7.
Okay, yeah.
Insert number
Hello,
7.
sir. Can you
Yes.
please explain what is multiple gestures?
What is?
What is multiple gestures? You said that gestures menu.
It's ledger.
Leisure.
Multi-gestures.
Double
Okay.
entry.
When you
Double entry. The
see,
multiple ledgers.
Shazada.
see, when you choose a single ledger, you can create only one ledger at a time. Now, suppose I have got 10 types of machinery. I can keep repeating this process every time. Machinery 1, then go to fixed assets, fill in the details, etc. But under multiple accounts, multiple ledgers, I get 10 options. I can fill in all the 10 names. So the other details, like whether to put it under fixed assets, what is their opening value, provided it is the same, I need to fill only once. So basically it speeds up your task. Okay, now I'll move back to the main screen. Escape.
Excuse me.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir,
While you are accepting, you said that some sound was playing. I was not able to listen to that. How that will be?
Okay, what you are not able to listen to?
The sound which was played for accept or reject.
Okay, that sound will play again. See, right now, just all others to please. There's some background noise.
God.
Okay, when I move to demonstrating the voucher entry, there again will be that very sound. So that time you can pick up that sound. Would everybody please mute their microphones? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Go on. Yeah, regarding that sound for accept or reject, that sound will play once again when we are making the voucher entry.
Friday Karutpur has left
Then
the
you can pick it up.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Fine.
had some questions, sir?
So we have to press enter or left button after activating JAWS cursor.
See, after you activate JAWS cursor, you have to press left button to select the option. That is whether you want to see create or display. Once it is selected, you have to press left button, enter to activate it. If you press enter without selecting it, then wherever the cursor is placed, there you will have the focus, which may not be the one you want.
So then how to create a company?
Yeah, that I'll come to. That I was actually going to cover in the last part of the lecture. So if you could just hold the question till then.
Okay.
Yes.
Namdio.
Okay, now I'll go back to the first screen.
Escape.
Ma'am, now I think you will be able to hear that sound once again.
Escape. Escape.
I'll play it once again.
Escape. The Irish scanner has left the
Were you able to hear that sound?
escape.
Okay. Anyway, let us move to voucher entries as to how
From
those
Shazada.
voucher.
Everyone, guys, please let Sir go on because it's not a training, it is only a webinar. 4:59 p.m.
Root JAWS to PC. Reports.
Java.
F4 Connect. Banking. Import data. Utilities. Accounting vouchers. Accounting. Vouchers. O. U. C. H.
Okay. Now
Hotel.
placed on the edge. So
Left mouse button.
left mouse button to select and enter.
Enter.
And I activate the PC cursor.
PC cursor. Redmi has joined the meeting.
Now, one thing to remember is that by default, the payments voucher will open. But if you are making entries earlier, went back to the main menu and came back, then whatever voucher type you are entering in will be open. Now, what Tally does is it gives you 6 or 7 types of vouchers by default. And each of these vouchers has a keystroke, a quick key by which you can open it. The first one is Contra, for which the keystroke is F4. For payment is F5. For receipt, F6. For journal, F7. For purchase, F8. And for sales, F9. Now, Contra, per payment, purchase, and sales are similar in their layout. Journal has a slightly different layout. What happens in this first set of vouchers, that is Contra, payment, receipts, sales, and purchase? See, there you have a specific type of transaction that you're going to enter. In sales, it is going to be a sales transaction. So therefore, your focus when you open the sales voucher is automatically on the account field where you can enter a sales account. Similarly, in the purchase voucher, when you open, by default, your focus lands on the field where you have to enter the purchase account. In payment or receipt, it lands on where you have to enter the cash or bank account. In Contra, it lands again on the same field where to enter the cash or bank account. The difference between Contra and payment receipt is, in Contra, it has only a bank or a bank to cash entries which are allowed. That is cash deposit, cash withdrawal, or transfer of funds from one cash account to another or one bank account to another. No payments to vendors or receipts from customers are allowed in Contra. But all these can be done in payments and receipts. And here Tally helps you because when it shows the list of accounts you can access, in Contra, it will show you only the cash and bank accounts. Similarly, once you enter the bank or cash name in payment and receipts, the rest of the cash bank accounts will not be visible. So let us just have a look at the payments voucher with the JAWS cursor.
JAWS cursor.
Japanese.
F7 journal. F6 F5 pay F4 con particulars amount.
Particulars and amount, and just above that,
Kerbal 49 account Bank of Baroda.
PC cursor. Ratchet.
When you open the cursor, the payment voucher, as I said, anybody has a question? I thought I heard a question being asked on the chat. Hello? Did someone want to ask a question? Okay. Okay. I'll continue. When you open, yeah. What is it? Hello? Yeah. Somebody was asking.
No, nothing.
Sir, these keystrokes, what you have said, that will work only when we are in the vouchers, right?
Yes. This list of accounts will appear only when you are inside a voucher.
Okay.
Yeah, it because see, unless you're inside a voucher, Tally does not know what you want to do. When you open a contra voucher, Tally knows that you want to do something with one or more cash and bank accounts. That is why it will then show you all.
Melissa Queen Star has joined the meeting.
Yeah.
Must
Now, what these vouchers
has
have
joined.
is that they have a running number, payment number 5, 6, 7, etc. Now, when you open a payments voucher, by default, your focus is on the account that is to be credited. It could be a cash, it could be a bank account, but JAWS does not say anything. You are required to type the name. So here, let me type Bank of Baroda.
V
Sorry.
blank B A N K space.
Okay, so bank and it has. Okay.
Escape.
Because I typed just bank and there were more than one banks, it gave me a message that too many choices. Now this sound will tell you that something is the problem. So let us activate the JAWS cursor and check.
JAWS cursor. Conveyance.
Japan.
Black diamond suit end of list.
Japanese.
F2 date.
PC cursor.
I had moved to the next entry, the next. That is why it gave me the error message. So let me move back.
Account Bank of Baroda.
Okay, now I'm on the main window, first window, which says Bank of Baroda. If I move down with the JAWS cursor,
Root JAWS to PC. Kerbal 49. 26,000.00 DR.
PC
reads
cursor.
out the current balance, so you can easily check whether the figure is right or wrong.
Melissa Queen Star.
In case you have made a entry somewhere which is not correct. So I'll move to the next field. Now the problem with Tally is JAWS will not read these fields out. Hello?
प्लीज म्यूट करा सगळ्यांनी.
Please, your mic.
The Queen Star has joined the meeting. Shazada.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Go on. You can ask.
when I entered the data, how to save command?
Tally has a self-save feature. When you accept a voucher at the end after narration, accept the voucher, Tally will save the voucher immediately.
Samir is speaking.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Can you please mute the microphone, everyone, please?
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Now we were in Bank of Baroda and we saw that the current balance was okay. So I'll activate the PC cursor.
PC cursor.
Now I'm in the field where I have to type the name of the account or the expenditure account which is to be debited. So let me type, say, conveyance. And I press tab to move to the amount button, amount field. But let me press shift tab to move back.
Conveyance share capital.
And when I did with the say current line, it read conveyance. So let me type the amount. Let us say 20,000.
2 0 0 0 0.
Okay. Now, after pressing tab, JAWS takes
Namdio has left
to another field where if I want to type a second account, I can do so. But let us go ahead. Let us leave it blank. Now you should be able to hear that same ping sound. Yeah, let me play that once again. Okay, sorry, somebody was joining at that point, so let us see again. Yeah, somebody had asked about that sound.
From Shivam
the same sound.
Yes, sir. I heard now.
Yes, sir. It was audible.
Okay. Now, one problem many blind people face is where do you enter the narration? Where do you enter the narration or the description? Now, because JAWS does not speak the edit fields, sometimes people overshoot the narration. So one small trick that I found out is when you hear this sound, this accept or reject, if you press Shift Tab once, you land up in the narration field where you can type the narration. So let me perhaps type
Queen Star has left the
square.
meeting. E, A, X, I, space, F, A from Shivam R, E.
And I'll press Tab to accept.
Enter. Umar Khan has left the meeting.
And once
Umar.
we get here, accept, we land on a fresh voucher, where again you can repeat the entire process. But as I said, these vouchers are similar in their format, but there is one difference when it comes to the journal voucher. So let me just open the journal voucher with F7, which is its shortcut key.
F7.
Now, in journal voucher, what happens is it does not have a predefined account like sales, purchase, cash, or bank, which is to be
Queen Star has left the
or
meeting.
credited. But it has one rule: whatever account you first enter, that will be debited. So let me type, say, depreciation.
E, E, R, E.
Okay, I press tab and then Shift Tab.
By depreciation.
For say current line, entered by depreciation. So let me take say 10,000 as the amount.
1, 0, 0, 0, 0.
And now you will see the difference in journal voucher as compared to the other vouchers. Here a window pops up giving me two options, buy and to. In some Windows setup, it speaks buy repeatedly. In some, it doesn't speak. Now, that is a question we haven't been able to solve. Why on two identical systems, it should speak on one and not on the other. But out of the two options, you can either say press B for buy or T for to. If you select buy, then the next ledger account that you type will be debited. If you press T, the next ledger account will be credited. So let me press T.
T.
And move to the account name. So I'll say plant.
P. L. A. N. E.
Now, unless I want to type another figure, I can press directly tab to move to the amount figure, and the earlier figure will come here. Okay. And then I can move ahead to the narration or to the ping button. Now, why the amount comes right out again in journal is that because until the debits and credits match, journal will not let you exit the voucher. It will not save the voucher. Whereas in the other types of vouchers, whatever amount you have entered is taken to be correct, because the same amount is adjusted in the bank, cash, sale, or purchase. But here in journal, you have to specify each of the amounts. And always in your last account, it will take it as the balancing figure. Now, 1 second.
12 p.m.
Somebody had asked about the company creation. Okay. Now, when you are installing Tally
Kriyash Kumar Sarup has left the meeting.
first time, you get two options. That is create company or import data. If there is an existing company, you get the name of select company. Now, unfortunately, this company creation screen is a bit of a problem when it comes to using JAWS and NVDA. That is because in the fields for entering your company name and address, the data space, that is a space where you can type, is limited. And in order to fit whatever you're typing, Tally reduces the size of the font. Now this you can check even in Word. The moment your font size goes below 3, JAWS will have a difficulty reading it. It may not even read it, even in Word. So what happens in the company creation screen is when the font size goes below that level, JAWS stops speaking whatever you are typing. Therefore, what I have found as a good workaround is to move with the JAWS cursor, have all the fields that are in the company creation screen. I typed them out into an Excel file and just referred to it when I was filling in the data. It is a bit of a workaround, but it cannot be helped because the JAWS will not read fonts of a very small size. So anybody have any questions? Please feel free to ask them. And if there are any questions on chat, Dhanashri, if you could read them out.
Okay, sir.
Sir, if it is in Excel,
Yeah.
is there any option of importing that to Tally, like customization?
See, if you mean the company creation details or the accounting entries?
Both, sir.
See, for company creation screen, no, you cannot import them, but it serves a handy reference because when you are pressing tab, you know what you have just typed, which field you have left. So you can refer to Excel to see what field is the next one. And for importing okay. And for importing accounts which are maintained in Excel, yes, customization is possible. Tally allows people to do that customization, but it is a paid customization.
Remate Pro has left the meeting.
That depends on how much level of customization you want. Because some people also link when they pass entries in Tally, they also have a feature to link their actual vouchers to that Tally entry. So the auditors can see the actual vouchers also. All this customization is possible, but it is a paid customization to be done as per the client requirements.
Okay, if only 3 to 4 vouchers we are using, like purchase, sales, contra entry, these kind of things only we need.
Correct.
If we are doing in an Excel sheet, so that can be imported, right, sir?
Yes, that can be imported, but that customization has to be done by the Tally vendor.
Okay.
And they usually charge for it. It's not a free customization that they do, but once done, it can go on for years together.
Okay, okay.
And in doing that, it is not just these default fields. If you want any additional fields also, that they can also customize.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So where we can learn Tally?
See, basically, there are classes that teach Tally, but again, when it comes, they teach for the sighted. So they'll tell you, take the mouse here, click this, click that. But depending on the feedback we get from the students, Snehankit is planning to create a session for a couple of weeks or so to teach them the basics of Tally. For that, we'll have a small group, say around about 10 students per batch or so that everybody can practice on their own laptops simultaneously. So if you are interested, do drop us a mail. I'll be sharing my email ID as well as Snehankit's email ID on the Tally group. You can drop in a mail saying that you're interested, and we'll definitely get in touch with you.
Okay.
Start my video, mute my recording, rec, leave, button null, start null. Current view is shared. Start my video, mute my audio now unmuted. Start my videos, mute my audio.
Hello?
हाँ बोल.
Somebody was saying something? Any further questions?
Everyone will it be paid?
We have not yet decided whether the tally session will be paid or free, but whatever it is, we'll communicate it out upfront.
Any questions on chat?
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट है बस,
No, ma'am.
जितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने ये सेशन के लिए रजिस्टर किया था सबके मेल आईडीज तो होंगे ना सर, तो एक बार सबको इन्फॉर्म कर देते अगर जब नेक्स्ट क्लास अगर स्टार्ट करने की कोई प्लानिंग होगी इसमें अंकित की
डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं।
जी सर,
कर सकते हैं,
क्योंकि हो सकता है कुछ स्टूडेंट्स आज नहीं भी आ पाए होंगे तो इसके लिए भी बेटर होता।
डेफिनेटली करेंगे। एक्चुअली कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने हमें कॉल भी किया था कि दे वुड नॉट बी एबल टू ज्वाइन बिकॉज unfortunately they are hospitalized because of the virus, coronavirus. So we will definitely, we have the email IDs, we will drop a bulk mail to all of them, no problem.
Thank you.
Pratiksha, any chat questions?
Hello. No, ma'am.
नहीं है?
Yeah.
नहीं.
Please ask.
ते असेच विचारतात आहे.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Those who have joined late, we have. Are you providing the recording of the class?
We have recorded. It will have to be edited a little bit, and then we'll put it on the Snehankit YouTube channel. When we put it, we'll inform everyone on the group and give the YouTube link also.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is Kannan from Chennai.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have one doubt, sir. Is there any inbuilt help available in Tally, like inbuilt help or tutorial or anything in the software itself?
In
We will
Tally,
be doing it now.
there is no
Actually,
inbuilt tutorial.
Samir, you're going to do an audio file of tutorials for Tally.
No, 1 minute, Parimala madam, 1 second. See, Tally does not have a help feature like you have in Word or Excel, but we are planning to prepare some short
User Joel J. Fernand has left the meeting.
some short sessions or say recordings to help people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
If there are no questions,
Yeah. Yes.
Actually, I wanted to know that while demonstrating, you said that while opening create option, create ledger, your focus, you shifted your focus to CREA and then press the left mouse button and then hit enter. So how do we understand that where to
Going
have
to
our
meeting.
focus in order to
Your
get it
voice is
selected?
breaking up, sir. Your
From
voice is
Shazada.
breaking up. Could you please repeat the question?
Redmi has left.
Hello? Now is it audible?
Could you please repeat your question?
Hello?
Yeah, it is audible now. Could you
Am I
please
audible
repeat?
now? Sir, while you were demonstrating, you explained that while opening create option, create ledger,
Yeah.
your focus was on CREA, that
Correct,
is
correct.
alphabet A.
Humor Correct.
So how do you understand that where to have focus in order to get that item selected?
See, it can be on any letter of the word create. It need not be on A, but it has to be on one of the
Okay.
letters so that it gets selected. I chose A because it is in the
Okay,
middle.
okay.
You could have it on C also or on the last E also. Doesn't make a difference.
Still it will work.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, when you are finishing entries in one voucher, after if you want to go to some other one, directly can you use the
Come again after finishing entries in one voucher.
and if you want to go to some other voucher, like
Yes.
yeah, at
Like
that time
suppose
directly
I finished one payment, then I want to do purchase.
yeah.
then you can press the quick keys. Na? See, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9. These are the quick keys. You can press any of them. Like if you finish F5, one payments entry, then your focus is on a fresh payments voucher. There you can press F8 to go to purchase.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can move from within the voucher, but you cannot leave a voucher half done.
Okay, sir. And sir, while entering in a voucher, like if I have completed one entry,
yeah,
if I want to move to next entry, there directly can I use the down arrow key, or else
when you are passing an entry, and what happened then?
If I want to do some other entry, like if I want to credit, now I have debited.
Correct.
Again, I want to debit. So at that time, how I need to
in a journal voucher, you are saying?
Yeah, any voucher.
See, in a contra purchase, payment, sales, or receipt, the account that is to be debited or credited is written at the very top. For example, sales credit, purchase debit. Then all the accounts you put will have the same effect. Like in a sales voucher, the first account you enter is sales. That will be credited. So all others will be debited. In a journal, you have the option of choosing which to be debited, which to be credited. But in a journal, again, the first account is debited. From the second onwards, you can choose whether you want to debit it or credit it. People have passed entries with even up to 60-70 accounts in a single voucher without problem.
Okay. Okay, sir. We'll check.
But again, if you have such a big entry, keeping track of whether it is right or wrong is a different issue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes. Do ask. Yeah, go on.
Sir, I am asking how to go to a preceding journal entry.
Okay. Now, in a preceding journal, you can go on the main screen to balance sheet. Now, if you know what the journal entry was, suppose you know that the preceding entry was depreciation, then you can go to balance sheet, inside balance sheet to fixed assets, and there you can find the depreciation entry. In a balance sheet or profit and loss, you can go through all the previous entries account wise. But if you want to go through only the journal entries,
41
then on the main window, you can go to display, in display journal, and then you will get all the journal entries, only journal. Similarly for cash and bank, if you go via display option, you will see all the cash entries or all the bank entries, whatever you want to select.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
सर जैसे मेरे पास टैली ERP9 का एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसमें मैं कभी भी जाता हूँ, मैं नरेटर के साथ कोशिश करता हूँ उसे चलाने की, तो मैं ओपन करता हूँ सॉफ्टवेयर को, तो मैं किसी भी प्रकार के कर्सर को प्रेस करता हूँ तो फिर वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं वर्क करता है।
नहीं, देखिए ये जो नरेटर के साथ इतना नहीं है टैली अभी फ्रेंडली। आई एग्री, नरेटर पहले था, उससे बहुत एडवांस्ड हो चुका है अब, बट नरेटर इज स्टिल नॉट फुल स्क्रीन रीडर। नरेटर से काफी दिक्कत आ रही है लोगों को, अभी भी आती है। तो आप जॉज या एनवीडीए यूज करेंगे तो आपको इजी पड़ेगा।
एंड सर एक बार आप जो शॉर्टकट कीज हैं F1 से F12 तक वो बता सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, मैं एक पूरी लिस्ट आप चाहे तो ग्रुप पे डाल सकता हूँ, so everyone can benefit.
Yes, sir. You go put it in the group, sir, so that everyone can.
ठीक है ना?
41
मैं ग्रुप पे ही डाल देता हूँ। मे बी टुनाइट, मे बी टुमारो मॉर्निंग मैं ग्रुप पे एक वर्ड PDF या वर्ड फाइल अपलोड करता हूँ जिसमें ये की स्ट्रोक्स होंगे।
So under the download link of Tally also, sir.
Yeah, that also I'll give. I'll give that. Plus, I'll give my email ID as well as Nehankit's email ID also.
Yes, sir.
सर अगर कंपनी क्रिएट करते वक्त हमें वो जो बॉक्स है वो नहीं बोलते, तो अगर हम वहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट करें तो पॉसिबल है क्या?
नहीं, टैली में नोवेयर टैली अलाउज यू टू कॉपी पेस्ट. नरेशन में भी नहीं, वाउचर में भी नहीं, टैली कॉपी पेस्ट अलाउ नहीं करता है. तो एक बात है कि अगर आप एक बार उससे फेमिलियर हो गए ना वो स्क्रीन के साथ, यू विल हैव टू डू वंस और ट्वाइस, बट इट इज इजी टू गेट फेमिलियर. एक बार फेमिलियर हो गए ना तो देयर विल बी नो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज दिस स्क्रीन हैज द सेम right from Tally 1 to 9.6.
Samuel Rodriguez.
Space. So one last question, sir, please.
Yeah.
So difference between this education version and the paid version, sir? Because
see, educational version allows you to pass only a limited number of entries and for a limited number of days, up to 5 days only. For example, if you can pass entries from 1 April to 5 April in educational mode. It may not allow you to pass entries for say 30 April. Paid version is a full version. Everything is open in that. Yeah, but again, if you don't want to have a paid version, you can take a rental license also, which is like a paid version, but for a limited period of time. Say 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year. That also is possible as per people's needs.
Sir, you said that with NVIDIA also we can work
Yes.
as we are working in JAWS. So
Yes.
have you worked with NVIDIA also? Using
Yes,
that?
but I have worked with NVDA, but not very frequently, because in my office they have purchased JAWS, and in an office environment you have to use the software that they give you. So my experience with NVDA is limited compared to that with JAWS.
Okay.
But basically the level of accessibility is the same with both of them.
And sir, for the previous version like up to 7.2, they were developing the JAWS
Yes.
scripts.
Yes.
So at that time, was the JAWS cursor was not available?
It was available, but for example, like right now we have to use JAWS cursor to go into the list of accounts when we are making an entry. They had given a keystroke Control B, due to which the PC cursor itself go to the list of accounts. So you need not shift to the JAWS cursor. But after 3.2, what happened is that they made some changes in the programming that underlies Tally. So it doesn't work with that. So, but we have been in contact with the Tally people. They have said they will look at it, but let us see. Fingers crossed.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sorry, but I have only one request. Can you please make the small audio and send for our WhatsApp group?
An audio, we are planning to make audio files, and we will send them, but not immediately. It will take a few days. Right now, what we can do is we can post our mobile numbers, Tally download link, and list of keystrokes on the WhatsApp group. But we are going to do two things. One, we are going to prepare small audio lectures as well as design a longer duration course. Details of both will also be given when they are ready.
Thank you, sir. That's good, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
The Tally is also like Excel only, right? It contains column headings, and in that field we have to enter the values.
Yes.
Then why it is not accessible with screen reader? We have to
That
use
is
just
the programming that underlies the software. Because see, Excel, the programming that goes into
Jaji has left the
Excel
meeting.
is different from what goes into Tally. Tally has certain features which Excel doesn't have. Excel has features which Tally doesn't have. So it's basically a programming matter.
19 Kavya B has left the meeting.
It's basically a programming issue.
Sir, in the beginning, you have said that you have contacted Tally Solution.
Yes.
So have you raised this issue that with screen reader not much accessible, like with
Yes,
PC cursor only?
Yes, we have raised it with them. In fact, a case was filed with the Chief Commissioner of People with Disabilities also about 4 or 5 years back, if I recollect properly. Even then, they had said we'll make it accessible, but not much difference has happened till date. So we are still trying to get them to make the required changes. Because one thing is there, madam, it is basically supply and demand. There is not much demand today for Tally from the blind. That is why they are not giving it the priority that it should be given. But we are trying to drive home the point to them. But let us see. We are trying our by contacting them on Twitter, email, as well as meeting with their people in the pre-pandemic period.
Audio now unmuted. Audio now unmuted.
Sir, one suggestion from my side.
Audio now unmuted.
Sir, can you create a petition and if you put it in Google?
Change.org.
Yes.
We could do that. In fact, anyone can start that petition.
No. Current view is
Everyone,
shared.
hi, sir.
Double
Please
tap
go
to
ahead.
Shahzad.
Yeah, the
Unread.
problem with me
No,
starting
current
the
view is
petition
shared.
is because I'm
Video
working
start my audio.
somewhere,
Start my video.
my
Mute my
employer
audio.
would not like that. So if any of you is willing to start that petition, we can all definitely sign it.
Recording. Rec. Start my video. Starts null.
But I don't have that much idea, so I asked if you.
No problem. No problem. I understand that. That's why I put it out to anyone. If anyone wants to start, well and good. We'll definitely sign it, but because of our current employment status, we cannot initiate it ourselves.
Sir, I wish to tell my view. As Mr. Samir sir told, first we have to learn Tally and use it as much as possible. If the number of users increase, then only they will listen to it. I think Mr. Samir is working in Tally for more than 15 or 16 years. I'm seeing in the Access India mail. He was the only person using Tally. Now, because of his efforts and this Sneha, now they have created this much more than 100 people. They are creating awareness about Tally, and the students has to use it properly. And you have to learn. Then only the software will be accessible.
May I know your name, sir?
This is Kannan from Chennai.
Okay, okay.
From 2002 also onwards, I am following you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I have also raised this query in Accendia mail. At that time, you were also replied to
Yes.
that mail. I remember.
Yes, because see, we can push all we want, but again,
Ravi
we are
Kumar has left the
motivated
meeting.
by profit.
Ravi Kumar has joined the meeting. From Shahzada.
Yes, sir.
That is why the more users we have, the more numbers we can show them.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Many students were asking about the Tally class, and if you start, it will be very useful for many of us.
We will definitely plan one, and as we have everyone's email IDs, we will definitely send out a mail.
Sure, sir. Sure. Very thankful, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Someone else wanted to ask something.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, why can't we develop Tally scripts on our own with of some programmers by incurring the
We can develop Tally scripts on our own, but that requires somebody who knows programming. Earlier, we had found help from a couple of programmers who are willing to partner with us and do the scripts. That was how the scripts for version
मम्मी फोन है
5.4 to 7.2 were developed. Now, if some programmers are willing to help us do it, then we are open to the idea.
Even I asked Tally company people also, but they are ready to do it, but at the cost of some 15,000 rupees. So
I know.
that is how
And, I know. And Tally can bring this functionality on its own also, but we need to show them that many people are interested in using it.
yeah, they are privately limited, they are motivated for profit.
Yes. There was a demand from people for GST, so they added the GST functionality on their own. So
Right.
if you can tomorrow, if they can realize that yes, there are many blind people using it and more want to use it, then they would make changes.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So currently I am in CA aspirant. I am in CA intermediate.
Okay.
I'm trying to doing the accounting for Tally, but I'm not do properly. So can you please suggest me any मतलब कि इसका कोई alternative? If it is alternative for
At
Tally
present,
software.
Tally से alternative तो कोई नहीं है, because 90% of businesses are using Tally, and others have mainly moved on to SAP, and SAP is very expensive.
SAP.
But what is your name? You said you are doing CA intern, na?
Yeah, myself Devanshu.
Oh,
Ganalkar.
Himanshu, what I can
Devanshu.
do is,
Sorry.
yeah, when I put my email on the group, you can send me a personal email, and then perhaps we can take up your queries on a one-to-one basis. Because the more chartered accountants there are, the more pressure we can build on Tally to make it accessible. Because see, their major clients are chartered accountants, whether in service or in practice.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
As a chartered accountant, have you experienced any other accounting software which are not accessible with JAWS?
There are 2 or 3 other softwares. Unfortunately, most of them have been discontinued now. There was one from a company called VX Systems that was entirely DOS based. This was around 10 years ago. Now, however, many people use either Tally or big companies use SAP.
So SAP is accessible or not?
SAP is mostly accessible. See, what SAP has done, they have made scripts for JAWS, which they have put on the SAP marketplace. Now, to access that marketplace, you need to have an SAP license. So if your employer company has purchased SAP, you can ask your IT team to download those scripts from the marketplace and install them on your machine. That makes it accessible.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Start my vid, mute my audio move. Start my video, start mute my audio.
Hello, Samir sir. This is Piyush.
Yeah.
Actually, I joined a little bit late, around 5 p.m.
Okay.
Can I get the meeting recording of?
We have recorded the meeting. We'll be going making a few edits that is to remove some unwanted sound, etc. And we'll be putting it on the Snehankit YouTube channel. And once we put it there, we'll send a link on the group also, on the Tally group also.
Okay, great.
Yeah, it will be done in a few days.
Okay. Second thing I wanted to know, I'm working as a senior manager in a bank.
Okay.
So where I don't need to do daily routine entries or anything else, but I need to snatch some reports from that, like trial balance, account statements.
Correct.
So they send me through the PDF version. They download it and send it to me.
Okay.
So it will be more easier for me if I can have little bit knowledge about the Tally to access self on this reporting part.
Yeah. In Tally, you can
Samuel Rodriguez has left the meeting.
Export it to you in Excel format also.
Okay.
And to do that, the process is simple, but it is a bit of a long process, takes 4 or 5 steps. So what I'll suggest you is that I'll put my email on the list. You can just drop me an email and I'll send you the step-by-step procedure.
Okay. So that is accessible right now.
Yes, that you can do it on your own also.
Okay, that's great. That's very helpful for me.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And so for first of all, how you learned this Tally with this JAWS? I just want to know.
That was
Meta has left the
forced
meeting.
on me, because when I lost my eyesight at the age of 21, it was not possible for me to sit at home, and if I had to go out to work, Tally was a must. So it was mainly trial error, use this cursor, that cursor, try to magnify, and eventually find something that worked.
Okay, it's your workaround, what you have found.
Yes.
Okay. It's nice, sir.
Yes, there may be other ways also of doing it, but this is the one that I use.
Okay, sir. Sir, and with laptop, we can also activate this JAWS cursor and PC cursor with insert P for PC cursor and insert P for a JAWS cursor.
Yeah.
And insert semicolon for PC
you
cursor.
mean caps lock, no, instead of insert, because caps lock
yes,
takes
sir.
the place of the But if you have a number pad on the laptop, you can still use the desktop command.
Yeah, sir, but with HP laptop we don't have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pratiksha, do we have any questions on chat?
No, sir.
Okay. Anybody else wants to ask any questions?
Sir?
Yeah. Go on.
Sir, for doing ledger scrutiny, what would you suggest? Like, it will be better to use like in direct Tally or after exporting it to Excel?
It depends on what you are familiar with. Because
like in ledger account, we might have hundreds of entries like in one ledger account. So it may become difficult like through JAWS cursor directly doing it from Tally. Yeah, so
in that case, you can use either of the methods. The benefit of using directly with Tally is, suppose you want to go inside a voucher and see.
Exactly, yeah.
You can go there and check immediately.
Yes.
Whereas if you have it in Excel, you can do all sorts of analysis to it, etc.
Yeah.
So each of them has their plus and minus.
Right. So like suppose in Tally, if we are going through employee benefits account, and like if we find some entry and if we want to go to that particular account, then we can do it in Tally, but we can't do that in Excel.
Yes,
That
yes. You will have to go back to Tally to that entry to check.
Yes, exactly. So I think I think Tally will be better in this case. But for accessibility wise, Tally won't be as good as Excel.
Correct, correct. And suppose you want to find out how much one employee has earned or how many expenses have been done by a particular employee. That it is easy.
Jerome Balasubramanian has left the meeting.
Yeah, that will be easier. Yeah.
Yes. So again,
So
it depends on what
yeah,
you want to do.
yeah, exactly. So I will definitely refer back to the recording as I have joined quite late. And
And you have any questions, you can ask them on the group or you can send me an email also, no issues.
yeah, sure. I'll refer it back, and if I have any doubts, I think it will be, I think, better to call. And so
Definitely, definitely.
yeah, and sir, you said about the thing like when we could raise the accessibility thing up, to Tally. So as I'm a chartered accountant, I can, like, if they listen to this thing first, so I can, initiate, like, I can able to put a vote on
Definitely.
this
The
thing.
more people who initiate it with them, the better it is. Because see, as a CA, you understand they are driven by profit.
Yes,
The
exactly.
more blind people say we want this, the more likely they are likely to hear, to agree.
Right,
If
right.
just 2 or 3 people come, they will say put it aside.
Exactly. But sir,
Left
what
the
could be
meeting.
the case? Like, I think Tally 7.2 was accessible with JAWS, and after Tally 9 wasn't.
We had created scripts to make it accessible. 5.4 to 7.2.
Okay. We have created scripts to make it.
Yeah, we had teamed up with a couple of programmers who, on a voluntary basis, had made some scripts.
Acha. Okay.
But after 7.2, the basic programming that underlay was changed. So the
Okay.
script didn't work in higher versions.
Okay. So, like, we were not able to create a script for 9 and later versions.
Yes. And because the programmers who were working with us were also then became busy with their own employment and other things.
Okay.
Yeah, but it is possible for Tally to add accessibility.
Yes, it is there anytime possible, but I think they are not doing it since, like, anytime since last 10 years I've been knowing was not.
Correct. Because see, they don't see the blind as a viable market right now.
Correct. But according to you, how many users might be around? Like, is it quite very less? Like,
Very less, because
blind users?
I have come across only about 10 to 15.
Oh, only that much?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because the earlier blind people first did not get into commerce. It is now that they are starting to get. We are now getting many blind chartered accountants, ICWAs, etc. So this number will increase, and hopefully in future, Tally will make it accessible.
Yes, definitely. Hope for the best.
I remember in the initial stages, even in Excel, the cut, copy, paste icons, because that time we had the drop-down menus earlier.
Yeah,
Even
since 2003.
They were not easily accessible
41 FFP.
in the earlier versions of JAWS, say JAWS 1, 2, 3 onwards.
Yeah.
But then
Long back.
the pressure blind community made it accessible.
Right. Exactly.
So same thing we need to put up here also.
Yeah, exactly, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, like, if there will be an initiative, I would like to be a part of it. Definitely.
Where are you based, if I may ask, sir?
Sir, only Mumbai only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Audio. Recording. Rec. Leave. Button. Null. Start it. Audio source
Hello,
is
sir.
wired.
If it is
Start my
possible to
video.
conduct
Start video.
similar
Mute my
seminar
audio.
once upon time.
Similar seminar?
No.
Come again. Similar seminar?
If it is possible to you to take similar seminar for one upon time, because today I learned lot of things. I want to explore and ask the questions. So if it is possible to you, may conduct a
Definitely.
similar
See,
seminar.
what I'll do is I'll put my email ID on the list, you can send me a mail. We can fix up a time and we can have a seminar. And as many as people who want to join us, we can.
Hello, can you repeat, please? I'm not able to listen to you properly.
We'll be putting out on the list that we want to have a longer session.
Ali has left the meeting.
People want to join us, we can have a longer session also, or even a session with a few people to solve queries. That is also possible. Depends on what you and the other participants want. We are open.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Sir, I'm not in the group. So that,
Okay.
so how I can access?
Seamus has joined the meeting.
We can add you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Anil Pandari has left the meeting.
Pratiksha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will
Can you take
add
her?
Sujata. I have the number.
Okay, fine. We'll add you to the group, Sujata. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So please add my also. My name is Sandeep.
Yeah.
So Shazara this side, as we had discussed about petition, so I just wanted to know that how should be the draft
About what about the petition?
for accessibility for Delhi?
See, you can create a petition on change.org and
Yes,
circulate
sir,
it.
I am on that website, so I am little bit confused about draft. What should be a draft? Means description. How I can write
Okay. What you can do is I'll put my email ID on the list. You can send me your draft and we can finalize it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Audio now unmuted.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes.
Sir, this is Parthiban from Madurai.
Yes.
Sir, I'm coming with two questions.
Yeah.
First one, can you explain the price of original package of Tally? Second one, are they providing any cloud-based storage or in the software itself the data?
Otis joined the meeting.
Come again with your question. First, I think was the price of Tally, correct?
Yeah, original package.
Yeah, the original package is for around 18,000. That is a single user package plus 18% GST. So it comes to around 21,000 roughly. Or else you can take a rental license, which is 600 per month with GST. That is up to you again. For a multi-user license, the price increases with the number of users.
I think they will provide some passcode, like after the installation of Tally to activate the original package.
Yes. See, once you make the payment, they send you the code to activate Tally.
Achha.
Yeah. And your second question.
Audio now unmuted.
Yeah.
Audio now unmuted.
See, once I install my software in my computer,
Audio now
if I am going somewhere or if I want to access my data from somewhere, is it possible?
From another computer
machine. Yeah, from another machine.
Yes, it is possible. You can install Tally in education mode, that is demo mode, and you can check your data. You can import the data from your current machine. See, what we do is that our data we place on a cloud in either Google Drive or in OneDrive. So whichever machine we are sitting on, we just import it there and we have the access.
Okay. Now now another question also rising. Are they providing the Tally software only either only the computer, only for the computer, or for the mobile phone or tab also?
I think you can run it on a tab. I haven't seen anybody run it on a mobile, but I'll have to check.
Audio now unmuted.
Fine. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So I find the app for Tally software in Google Play Store, but it's not accessible.
I haven't actually tried that app, so I can't see right now. But I'll check it out in a few days, and I'll get back to you on that.
Okay, sir. Also, Excel and Word app will be accessible, but Tally app is not accessible. I think so.
I'll check that.
Fine, sir. And one more thing I would like to tell you, sir, because we people are, I think we people are interested in accounts and Tally, these kind of things. But I think we may not have any outsource to learn these kind of things. So if possible, and if you have time,
we are planning a longer term course which would cover a few weeks for teaching Tally in depth. Snehankit is preparing the course material, and as soon as we have something concrete, we will definitely inform everyone on the group.
Yes, sir. But I am not in the group, sir. Can you provide your website or somewhere?
We will add you.
Yes, sir.
Can I have your name, sir?
Yeah, Parthiban.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. She'll add you to the group, sir. No problem.
Fine. Nice, sir. Nice initiative.
Thank you.
Sir, is there any particular mail for this kind of discussion, like relating to this accounting?
At present, I haven't come across any. But if you are interested, we could create a mailing list for that.
Okay. Because you are saying that you will put your mail ID in the list, so that I was asking.
Correct. We can create a mailing list. If people are interested, we can definitely create. See, on Groups.io, you can create a mailing list for free. So that is not a problem. If people are interested, we can definitely have a list.
Audio now unmuted.
But Charles Sakimer has left the meeting.
Audio now
From
unmuted.
Shazada. Everyone okay, so thank you, sir, for a great session I had.
Can we wind up the session if we have no questions, because we have a meeting right now? Samir?
Yeah. If there are no further questions, I think we can wind up.
Okay, participants, anybody wants to ask any question? I think there are no questions. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thanks
to all the participants.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Samir sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. The entire
much.
session was
Thank you.
nice.
It was such a wonderful session.
From Shazada. Everyone, thanks a lot, all of you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jairish Kader has left the meeting. Escape.
Okay. Can I leave Zoom now?
Yes, you can.